Yeah.
Same bloodline or different?
It's a little bit different. It has a little bit of Dream Boy in it, and it has a little bit of Then One Roy stuff that I got from a fella in St. Thomas, Pete Voskamp. Yeah, and I bought a pigeon from him probably 7 or 8 years ago, or a little longer. Crossed that in, and then yeah, he's a wiggler, isn't he? Some really do a lot of wiggling.
Well, eating well, maybe. All right, all right. Yeah, it seems like he just took a shower, you know.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, they had a bath. He's still